Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are evaluating a rational function. Our function is g of x equals 3x divided by 2x minus 10. We need to find g of 1 and g of 5, if possible. Key concept: rational functions. A rational function has x in the denominator. The most important rule is, the denominator can never equal 0. The domain is all x values where the function is defined. Step 1. Find the domain. We start by setting the denominator equal to 0 and solving. 2x minus 10 equals 0. Add 10 to both sides, 2x equals 10. Divide by 2x equals 5. Since x equals 5 makes the denominator 0, we must exclude it. The domain is all real numbers where x does not equal 5. Step 2. Evaluate g of 1. First, check, is x equals 1 in the domain? Yes. 1 does not equal 5, so we are safe. Substitute x equals 1 into the function. G of 1 equals 3 times 1, divided by 2 times 1 minus 10. The numerator is 3. The denominator is 2 minus 10, which equals negative 8. G of 1 equals 3 over negative 8. G of 1 equals negative 3/8. Step 3. Evaluate g of 5. First, check, is x equals 5 in the domain? No. X equals 5 is excluded. But let's see what happens if we try to substitute anyway. G of 5 equals 3 times 5, divided by 2 times 5 minus 10. The numerator is 15. The denominator is 10 minus 10, which equals 0. We have 15 divided by 0. Division by 0 is undefined in mathematics. Therefore, g of 5 is undefined. Recap. The domain is all real numbers except x equals 5. G of 1 equals negative 3/8. G of 5 is undefined, because x equals 5 is not in the domain. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.